Okay. So I have a Dr. Parul says I have a query. I want to learn implants. Can I learn from Ostem? They are offering a 6-day course and a physio dispenser and Ostem kit with implants for 375 lakhs. See, Parul, you are situated in a good city. Tri-City always offers good amount of options to you. Panchkula, Mohali, and Chandigarh. There are a lot many options around you. I would say you can say concentrate more on training rather than going for the kit itself in the beginning. When you learn from the company is ready to provide you the support of the kit and the physio dispenser as well. They supported us also in the beginning. We bought a kit much late, but that's okay. If you want to, if you can spare the finances, go about that part. But the focus should not always be on that. Somebody would equate it, if you don't want to take implants or physio dispenser, even then the training would be 3.75 lakhs. That is a wrong approach to sell from the company end. Then get it done from someone else. Then get it done from someone who can teach you better with the knowledge without the, you can say, forceful thing of offering or taking up the implants as a compulsory thing. For beginners, I don't advise a kit at the start. Again, that is my view. You are free to differ from that. Okay. So I hope it answers your question.